Do you feel tired during the day? Do you snore and get a dry mouth in the morning? Well, if so, these are typical symptoms of a common treatable sleep disorder known as sleep apnea that most sufferers don't even realize they have. Now, this disorder interrupts your sleep as much as up to 30 times per hour per night. But these interruptions are so brief that you don't remember them. All you are aware of is the resulting chronic tiredness that affects your work and your family and your health. But the good news is that here at Respshop.com, we offer an easy and convenient way to test for this disorder so that you can get a prescription, suitable treatment, and then get back to having deep and restful sleep. Any diagnosis requires a sleep study to be done. Ordinarily, this would require a doctor, and it may involve you spending a night in a sleep lab or to have the study done in your home with you hooked up to monitors. But we avoid the hassle and cost of all of this by providing you with a small disposable test kit to wear on your finger while you sleep at home, along with a brief consultation session with a sleep physician. This kit tracks your sleep data over multiple nights, measuring things like your blood oxygen levels and breathing patterns, and then transmits this data to your healthcare provider. After that, your results are evaluated by a certified sleep physician who will provide you with a report and, if required, a diagnosis and prescription for treatment. If you have had a sleep study done before, but have either lost your prescription or need it renewed, we can help you there too. We'll set you up with a quick online appointment with a board-certified sleep physician who will typically get a new prescription to you within a few hours. Simple. And when it comes to time to purchase your equipment you'll need for your treatment, you can be confident in buying from us. We offer many benefits, including our price match policy, which means we will match the price of any equipment sold from licensed US dealers. So don't be out of the know, get your test kit from Respshop.com today and start living your best life.